My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, times like these that make me say, Lord, let me see if this come my way. Like, living brain control, not straight. A lot of sacrifice in the price you pay. Like, living like a phoenix hell. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I want friends I meet, more like you. Try not to crucify with the things I do.
I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Have me lost in light speed.
Times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, let me see if this come my way. Like, living brain control, not straight. Yeah, a lot of sacrifice in the price you pay. Like, living like sometimes I fall, I slip. I walk things I mean, more like you. Try not to crucify with the things I like.
The fear of never falling in love, and the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was. Like the dirt still up under the rug.
My life be like,
Bad characteristics covered in Christ's blood. The joy of new birth and the pain of growing up. The bliss between giving my all and giving.
God damn it, Michael!
Close to being defeated, so the God I send. Words of help to win. And grumbling so deep letters can never express. So the sounds of ooh ah beneath my breath.
times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, let me see if this come my way. Like, living brain control, not straight. Yeah, a lot of sacrifice in the price you pay. Like, living like a phoenix hell. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk feelings I need, more like you. Try not to crucify with the things I do. Like,
Last up on the Chris New Diddy, but 8 bars of the truth will do. I believe there's a bride that's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you. So why, oh why do I trip and stumble, and ooh, eyes commitment crumbles? I can't believe that